guys, I actually drew this at like school on the like a iPad, and then I printed it, and it looks pretty cool. So this is the AME aerator, the aerator. AME aerators are not elites, but not grunts or troopers. They're like a more special type of soldier. They have a thing called an AME jump pack on them, which is like a jetpack, but instead of making you fly, it basically gives you like a massive leap that you can constantly like leap with. And the aerators, are also equipped with AME red-on hammers, which are like laser hammers that send massive shockwaves to the ground and stuff. And they're very cool. And they also are wearing power armor, so that's why they have a little core and stuff. And yeah, but as you see, they're very gold. They have quite a lot of gold. And this is because aerators, for some reason, a lot of aerators are the most patriotic of all AME soldiers. They love the hell out of the AME. They love it. And they will literally, like when you're fighting one, for example, one is about to come down and crush you with its hammer. He's gonna say something like "Taste the General's glory" as he comes down and crushes you. That is funny, and that is pretty cool. I love that. So yeah, these guys are cool. They are pretty based air raiders. Yes. Okay. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Hehe.